Negotiation Skills Training for Women, presented by Tonex. Negotiation Skills Training for Women is a 2-day course that covers the techniques women can use to overcome gender bias and improve their negotiation skills. Participants also learn the importance of positive emotions and how to more effectively use innate abilities.
While it is crucial for everybody to know how to negotiate effectively, women in particular need this skill more than their male counterparts. Most women fail to see or prefer to ignore the opportunities to negotiate about their job titles, the resources they need to do their job, their salaries and benefits, and even the support they need to accomplish their goals. Negotiation skills training for women will teach you how confidently and strongly negotiate over what you need to succeed in your career.
Added value of negotiation skills training for women. Learn how to ignore gender discrimination and negotiation threshold. Learn to handle sexists. Learn the difference between getting a deal and a great deal. Steps to a successful negotiation. Practice to not fear competing with male counterparts. Also, practice to express your disagreement in a smooth yet effective way. Learn how to use your female powers and strengths.
This is really true that women need to shape the techniques, skills, and tools so that they can achieve a successful negotiation. You will need to focus on these topics: overview of negotiation, negotiation terminology, types of negotiations, formal bargaining and the collective bargaining process, and more.
Hey, it's time for testimonials. Listen to few reviews who participated negotiation skills training for women by Tonex.
With Tonex, we have finally accomplished things that have been waiting forever to get done. I highly recommend Tonex. It has been so important for us as we continue to grow our company.
Tonex has helped my team and I stay on the same page. Previously, we were all over the board. Using Tonex negotiation skills training, we've definitely saved our time and money. Thanks to Tonex.
If you want to take your business to the next level, use Tonex and don't look any further. Tonex is a game changer. Instead of drowning in an endless chain of emails, there is clear and easy accountability, meaning tasks actually get done.
I love Tonex. This is an amazing training service, and it has saved me and my small business so much time. I plan to use it for a long time to come. Tonex has been so useful for me.
So, plan ahead your negotiation. Learn the characteristics of influential people. Learn negotiation tips. Tonex will cover all. Sign up as a group. Attend Tonex Negotiation Style Workshop. Visit www.tonex.com.